Hey everyone! Roblox enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick and handy guide on how to spice up your chats in Roblox PC with emojis. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure that you're in any game on Roblox. Then, you'll need to open the Roblox chat box. You can do this by clicking on the chat icon. It's located in the top left corner. Just like this. Now, type anything you want. Just like hi. Now, to add some flair with emojis, all you need to do is press the Windows key and the semicolon button at the same time. And voila! You'll get this handy emoji pop-up. From here, you can either search for a specific emoji by clicking on the search bar icon, or browse through the wide range available. Let's say I want to use the classic smiling emoji. Just like that. It's added to your chat. Now, hit send. And there you go. If this method does not work on your PC, then don't worry. I have one more method. First, minimize the Roblox game. In this method, you have to open any browser, such as Google Chrome. Once you are in the browser, now, select the search bar, and then right-click on the search bar. When you do this, a drop-down menu will appear. In the menu, click on the first option. That is emoji. When you click on the emoji button, now, you can see handy emoji pop up. You can select any emoji from there. Just click on the emoji that you want to put in the Roblox. When you type in, now, copy or cut the emoji. You can do this by selecting the emoji, and then right-click, and then from the menu, select cut or copy. Once you do this, now, go back to the Roblox game. Once you are in, now, open the chat box, and then, press the Ctrl+V on the keyboard. When you do this, the emoji you copied from Chrome will be pasted into the Roblox. It's as simple as that. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.